The alarms are screaming. Right now, as silver surges past $63 an ounce, up over 110% in 2025 alone, something unprecedented is unfolding in the shadows of the COMEX vaults. In just the first few days of December, buyers claimed over 47 million ounces for physical delivery. That's more than 60% of all registered inventory, gone in a flash. The vaults are draining faster than anyone thought possible. This isn't speculation. This is a full-blown physical squeeze. And it's only the beginning. Welcome to Bullion Storm. If you're holding paper silver, you need to hear this. Let's look at the cold hard numbers. COMEX registered silver stocks, the metal actually available for delivery, have been obliterated, or for 47 million ounces yanked out in days. That's not normal rollover. That's panic. Buyers are standing for delivery because they no longer trust paper promises. They want the real thing. Cold, hard, 1,000 ounce bars in their hands. Why now? Because the world has woken up to silver's new reality. Silver is no longer just poor man's gold. It's the oxygen of the green revolution. SLU. You can T-build a modern solar panel without it. Each one needs 15 to 25 grams of silver paste. You cannot power an electric vehicle efficiently without it. EVs use up to twice as much silver as traditional cars. And you definitely can't run AI data centers or 5G networks without it. Industrial demand is exploding. Forecasts show silver consumption topping 700 million ounces this year alone, driven by solar installations, EV production, and the AI boom. Global supply. Stuck below 1 billion ounces, with deficits running for the fifth straight year. The math doesn't lie. There simply isn't enough silver to go around. But here's where it gets deadly serious. China, the world's refining superpower, just flipped the kill switch. Starting January 2026, Beijing is imposing strict state trading licenses on silver exports. Only a handful of approved giants will be allowed to ship refined silver out of the country. This is not an outright ban yet, but it's a lockdown in all but name. China already processes massive amounts of global concentrate. They take in raw ore from Mexico and Peru, refine it in their smelters, and now they can keep it. The metal flows east and stays there. It's a classic resource nationalism play, just like they did with rare earths and gallium. The result? A dual price market emerges. Cheap silver inside China for their solar and EV factories, and skyrocketing premiums everywhere else. The West is trapped. We shut down our smelters decades ago. We have almost zero spare refining capacity. If China tightens the screws further, the COMEX vaults won't just drain, they'll run dry. That's why silver is rocketing higher. We've seen intraday spikes to $64.65 this month alone. The old suppression game is breaking. Paper shorts on COMEX are facing a nightmare. There's not enough physical metal to cover if everyone demands delivery. Add in the macro tailwinds, a softer dollar after Fed cuts, exploding deficits, and investors fleeing fiat into hard assets, and you have the perfect storm. Silver isn't just rising, it's entering a new era of strategic scarcity. So, what does this mean for you? If you're still in SLV futures or unallocated paper silver, wake up. In a real squeeze, paper becomes worthless when delivery fails. The only thing that matters is physical silver in your possession. Physical premiums are already climbing. Dealers are running low on 100 Rs bars and 1000 Rs monsters. Coins like eagles and maples. Good luck finding them at spot plus a few bucks. Silver is transforming into a true strategic asset, hoarded by nations, fought over in resource wars, and essential for the technologies shaping our future. The supermarket of endless cheap silver is closed. The blockade has begun, and those holding physical metal, they're on the right side of history. Prioritize physical over paper, bars, coins, rounds. Store it securely outside the banking system. Act before premiums explode further. The window for stacking at reasonable cost is narrowing fast. This squeeze could propel silver to $100 plus in the coming years, as deficits deepen and restrictions bite. Diversify now. Silver is the most undervalued strategic asset on the planet. The COMEX crisis isn't a blip. It's the opening shot in the silver war. If you want to stay ahead as this unfolds, daily updates, dealer alerts, and deep dives into the bullion storm, Hit subscribe and ring that bell right now. Comment below. Are you stacking physical silver yet? How much have you added this month? This is Bullion Storm. We will see you in the next update, because the next critical move could come any day.